Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the HiCOZY and the EUHOMY. Both of these machines promise quick ice production and convenience, but they come with different features and price points. Let's see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to pricing, the HiCOZY ice maker is priced at $119.99, while the EUHOMY offers a more budget-friendly option at just $89.99. This makes the EUHOMY a more attractive choice for those looking to save some money while still enjoying the benefits of a countertop ice maker. Both ice makers boast impressive ice production capabilities, with the HiCOZY producing up to 26 pounds of ice per day and the EUHOMY slightly edging ahead with 26.3 pounds per day. Both machines can produce ice in just 6 minutes, making them perfect for parties or gatherings. In terms of design, the HiCOZY features a compact and portable design with a convenient handle, making it easy to transport. The EUHOMY, on the other hand, boasts a sleek silver finish and a modern aesthetic. Both models are made from stainless steel and include self-cleaning functions, but the EUHOMY is noted for its quieter operation. In conclusion, both the HiCOZY and EUHOMY countertop ice makers offer great features for quick ice production. The choice ultimately comes down to your budget and design preferences. If you're looking for a more affordable option, the EUHOMY is the way to go. However, if you prefer a compact design with a self-cleaning feature, the HiCOZY might be your best bet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.